Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Mimi's Makeup. In this video, I'm gonna make a quick review about this conditioner, this hair conditioner from Kativa. Okay, it's macadamia oil, and it's hydrating conditioner with organic oil, hydrating softness and shine. Okay, so no salt or sulfate, which is amazing because I begin to use sulfate free products, and this one is beautiful. I had another review about the hair mask from Kativa. I really love it. It's empty now. I need to replace it, but I really love the products of Kativa. I use the conditioner, I use the hair mask, and I use the hair treatment, like the keratin treatment. I had a whole video about it. I'm gonna link in the comment description box down below. So far Kativa, I don't think it's well known. I don't see a lot of review about it, but I really love it. So this one is really nice, makes my hair very soft, very smells good, and actually I love having this one as like a hair mask. So after I wash my hair with my shampoo and let it dry a bit, and then apply the conditioner and leave it for about 10 or 15 minutes after the shower, and then I wash it, and actually makes my hair so soft and silky and smooth. It smells really good, and when I style it, very good, very good. So if I want something a quick hair treatment, I use this as a hair mask for about 15 minutes, and it does miracle. I really love it. So I really recommend it if you didn't use it before. And actually it's about 500 ml, but the price is so affordable, so it's a big amount for a very nice price. So I got this from Amazon. If I will add the link in the description box down below if I find it for you, if you want to go and check it out. But I really recommend it if you didn't try it before. Kativa products are amazing so far. I really love them. So this is for this review. I really hope you like it, and of course, as usual, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and share the video with your friends if you like it. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. These links will be in the description box down below. And this is my cat in the background playing. And don't forget to hit the bell button so you have a notification every time I upload new video on my channel. And I'm gonna see you soon in my next video. I love you so much. Bye.